Pampas grass plumes are so beautiful and brittle. While I love the look in my fall decor, I don't love the mess they make. Create a faux version with yarn that won't shed all over your floors. You'll need yarn, scissors, a chopstick or dowel rod, and a wire brush. For the bunny tails, I'm using traditional yarn, and for pampas grass, I'm using feather fringe yarn. An ultra-firm hold hairspray. I'm talking something gravity-defying. Have a friend hold your yarn ball if needed, and wrap the strand around your hand 25 times. Cut the yarn and run the end under and around the layers to make a knot. Before pulling the knot tight, run your chopstick or dowel rod through the knot. Then, pull the end tight to secure. Make 2 more knots to hold everything tightly in place. Run the blade of your scissors through the loops and cut. Make another 25-layer yarn loop and follow the same process of adding the chopstick before tightening the knot, and then cut the loops. Bunny tails only need 2 of these loop sets. For pampas grass, make 5 or more loop sets with a feather fringe yarn. For the bunny tails, use the wire brush to comb out the yarn strands. Hold the knotted area tightly and don't brush too hard so the strands don't pull out. Continue brushing until the yarn is fluffy. Spritz the hairspray all over the yarn. Hold the chopstick or dowel rod upside down and shape the fluff into a bunny tail. Once the hairspray is dry, use the scissors to further shape as needed. For pampas grass, simply spritz and shape. Keep the plume upside down until the hairspray has fully dried. On the fly, DIY.